my gosh! So we're gonna open this package. Let me just set up my camera. Number one reason I bought this is I really want this, but besides that, it's because enhypen's concert is just around the corner, and obviously I need a light stick. Yeah, I ordered this last month. I'm so excited! I can already feel the concert. Even though, you know, I'm not sure if I will be able to secure tickets, but I have a strong manifestation. This is my BNS Twitter account. Finally found these photo cards. Okay, this is like debut era. Jake, Sunghoon. They're so young here. They're so young, but this is during their rookie days. Oh my god, it's so cute! Oh my god. It's why did I smell it? This is the bag. This is the strap. What else? That's it. I think you need a battery in here. Obviously it doesn't work yet because there's no battery. So I guess you have to open. Let's read. Here we go, first line. Oh my god, look at that, look at that. Can you see that? Can you see that? Look.
Can you like turn off the lights, bitch?
Ooh, oh my god.
Turn off the lights.
Oh my god, it's amazing.
Change it.
Bitch. ENGENE-loG. Hey, okay.
Change it different color.
Oh, red. This is for fever. That looks so cool though. Like, shit.
What was that?
Pwede yan. TV. Wait, paano may mali? Kasi, hindi proper na aalis natin agad yung x. Kasama yung, pag nag-factor out ka ng x squared plus 3b squared plus, ay, tama ba?
What is this?